Hello liebe Leute, welcome to German classes and I am Palka. So our today's topic is any guesses guys? Yes, we are going to study about animals today, okay? But in German language. Without wasting any time, let's start the session. Animals in German language will be called as Tiere. Tiere. Tiere, animals. Die Katze, cat. Die Katze, cat. Die Kuh, cow. Die Kuh, cow. Der Hund, dog. Der Löwe, lion. Das Pferd, horse. Das Schaf, sheep. Die Giraffe, giraffe. Der Affe. Who is Affe? Monkey. Okay. Das Schwein, pig. Der Fisch. Der Elephant. Der Fuchs. Is fox. Okay. I am repeating it once again for you. Die Katze. Die Kuh. Der Hund. Der Löwe. Das Pferd. Das Schaf. Die Giraffe. Der Affe. Das Schwein. Der Fisch. Der Elephant. Der Fuchs. Okay? Der Fuchs. So friend, mein Lieblingstier ist der Hund. Mein Lieblingstier ist mein Hund. My favorite animal is Hund. My favorite animal is dog. Okay? So, was ist deine Lieblingstier? Was ist deine Lieblingstier? Means what is your favorite animal? That you are going to answer me in the comment section below. So friends, I hope you like the video and you understand what we call animals in German language. Okay friends, so that's all for today. See you in the next video with a new topic soon. तब तक के लिए take care, stay home, stay safe and do subscribe and like my channel. Okay, goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen.